Want to know what top 5 AIs that can make you rich? Let's discuss it here together. Stay till the end to learn how. Artificial intelligence is the future that has already arrived. It is developing every day, and the possibilities it offers truly amaze us. Today I will talk about the top 5 AI image generators and how you can profit from them with minimal time and effort. Number 1. Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the most popular AI generators and is unique because the entire system operates within Discord. Once you join, creating art is incredibly simple. All you need to do is type /imagine, and you input a prompt. To generate images, you need to manually input all the details, starting from the style of the image to its dimensions, which will be made easier in future AI versions. For example, to generate a logo like that, you would need to write a prompt like cartoon-style esports logo, simple fox with water gun. To specify the aspect ratio, you can write R3:2. If you're interested in how to create different styles in Midjourney, feel free to write it in the comments, and I will make a video about it. Midjourney generates 4 images, and if you like one of them, you can press U1. If an image is somewhat close to what you need, you can press V1, or you can regenerate the image and adjust the prompt further. There are 4 types of subscriptions, and the pricing starts at $10. Number 2, Wirestock AI Image Generator is one of my favorite services. To access it, you can visit Wirestock or find its link in the description below. If you haven't heard of this service yet, I'd like to say a few words about it. Wirestock is a service for both photographers and creators of visual content, including AI creators, images, videos, and vectors, with its primary goal being to simplify the process of selling photos, videos, and images generated by AI on stock resources. This allows photographers to focus more on their creativity, while the service takes care of a significant portion of technical and administrative tasks. Wirestock assists creators in selling their content on over 10 stock platforms, including Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Images, Pond5, Deposit Photos, and many others. Using Wirestock, creators can easily set prices and make sales from their portfolio. It takes care of the laborious tasks, such as adding keywords and descriptions. Wirestock only charges a 15% commission, allowing creator to retain 85% of each sale. This platform has launched its own AI image generator, which is one of the most convenient AI. Here, you can choose to generate, input a prompt, or upload an image. You can also use Reimagine to upload an image and create variations, and even an image mixer if you have 2 images and need to combine them into something in between. At the bottom, there are 14 style options, which is a small feature and convenience of this service. You need to select the orientation. As for subscriptions, there are 2 options, Premium and Premium AI. By entering my promo code MARAM, they start from $7.79 to $14.99, so take advantage of this opportunity. Now, let's move on to the next AI. Number 3, Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an innovative resource that provides extensive capabilities for the development of various artificial intelligence applications. It is developed and maintained by OpenAI, a leader in the field of intelligent systems. It works best with faces, animals, and interiors, but it's not as effective with architecture and landscapes, which can often have noise or appear blurry, although this may depend on the prompts and the model chosen. The Leonardo AI web app is more convenient for usage since you don't need to have Discord, and you can use it directly in your browser, like many other text-to-image services. It operates on a token system, giving you 150 free tokens that renew daily, allowing you to generate images. There are 3 subscription options available for purchase, starting at $10. One of the features of Leonardo AI is the ability to view prompt details and negative prompt, which allows you to copy the prompt details if you liked an image, replace the details you need, and generate a new one. This can be quite helpful for refining and customizing your image generation prompts. Another noteworthy feature is the background removal. To do this, you can click on the image, select Remove Background, and then press the download button to get the image without a background. This feature can be useful for isolating subjects and images. That's a handy feature. You can remove the background by clicking on the image, selecting No Background, and then immediately download it by clicking the download button. This makes it easy to obtain images with transparent backgrounds, which can be useful for various design and editing purposes. We click on AI Image Generate and then click Download Image. Number 4, Photor. Photor is a versatile photo editor that includes photo editing tools, a design master, and a photo collage master. Photor's photo editor built on artificial intelligence technology, contains numerous tools that can satisfy your photo editing needs in a matter of seconds. These tools include One-Tap Enhance, AI-powered Magic Erase, AI Photoshop, AI background removal, resolution enhancement, effects, filters, design templates, collages, overlays, coloration, AI artistic effects, stickers, cropping, HSL, hue, saturation, lightness, curves, text, and other features. In it, there's an AI image generator. On the main page, you click on AI tools, and there are many options for image generation. You can generate images from both text and pictures. Some notable features include AI face swap, avatar AI, photo restorer, and AI artifacts. You can generate images, create face art, and generate avatars. To do this, you would click on AI Image Generator and then enter your desired prompt or input. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio for your generated image. Style from 15 possible number of pictures, and we press Generate. There are 2 types of subscriptions here, and you can purchase it starting from $3.33. Number 5. Deep Dream. Deep Dream is trained using a neural network with millions of images and can produce truly stunning results. If you want to upload an image to transform it into art without using prompts, when registering, you receive 100 tokens, which you can use to generate an image, starting from 5 tokens. Here, you can choose an AI model: artistic, photoreal, fantasy, stable, aspect ratio, quality, negative prompt, face enhance, upscale, and enhance. We enter our prompt and click Generate. You can purchase a paid subscription starting from $19. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. See you! Please don't forget to click on the links below. There, you can also find the link to get instant done-for-you monetized channel, ready to earn in days, not in months, and join the Online Business Club to learn more about making money online. Check them out and start building your digital business fast.